Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make these simple Thanksgiving appetizer recipes. So let's get into it. They were so easy to make, so delicious and fresh and perfect for the beginning of, like, Thanksgiving is like heavy meals. So they're perfect just for that. So first I'm going to make this drink. Now this drink is not to put you on your butt and do any of that. It's not to have people going crazy in your house. It's just to mellow everyone out, get everyone nice and settled. Okay? Obviously kids cannot drink this drink. However, you could probably, make Kool-Aid or apple juice and just add the cranberries in it and the apples and give it to the kids. But this is for the adults. So I'm going to chop up some apples and some oranges, and I'm going to add this to the drink. You already know I wash everything. If you're new, I wash everything, you guys. Everything I put in my body or in my food, I wash it. So now I'm just going to pile everything right down into my pitcher. Another tip is, you guys, you don't have to use oranges. You don't have to use cranberries. Use the fruits you prefer. Now, I'm using apples because it's going to go with the apple hard cider that I have in the back. The rosé in the smaller bottles, and that's why I'm doing it to complement it. But again, it's no really right or wrong here. It's just me loving to blend things and making sure things are cohesive is what I'm saying. So I'm going to start adding my bottle of wine. This is the big bottle of wine, so I ended up having some left in the bottle. Next, I'm going to put my hard cider down in here, both bottles, and just like this. This hard cider, by the way, this rosé wine or whatever this is called, it is so good, you guys, by itself, number one. I would have had more if I didn't drink them. But next I'm going to add my orange juice, mix it up with my straw because silly me had my machine going and all my utensils are in my washer right now, you guys. So I had to use my reusable straw. That's nice and clean. And now next I'm going to start soaking my toothpicks because we're going to use that for a dish later on into the video. Next I'm going to start rinsing my strawberries for my strawberry toast. To be honest, I don't even have a name for this dish, but hey, it's strawberries on top of bread, so I'm going to call it strawberry toast. And this was also very fresh and very light and very delicious. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's also super duper cheap, and that's another thing. Everything in this video was cheap to make. So these are the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna use some vanilla bean yogurt, as well as this bread that I found in the Kroger supermarket. They're small and thin, as well as some cream cheese and some vanilla. I'm not gonna use a lot of cream cheese. It's more like 2 to 1, so 2 yogurt to 1 of the cream cheese. And next I'm going to add my vanilla, a small dab of honey because we're going to use that honey again at the end. You want to mix this up, and that's the mixture that's going to go on top of the bread. To my strawberries, I'm going to sprinkle on a little lemon juice just to keep it nice and fresh. This is how I'm going to assemble it. I'm going to take the cute little bread. It's so cute, and the bread was so good too, you guys. I hope you'll be able to find it in the supermarket. If not, you can use pumpernickel. Let me not mess that word up. Pumpernickel bread is also perfect here, and I wish I found that instead of this. However, this was also equally delicious. So you put the strawberries on top, and that's it. This one was so easy to put together, and it makes a lot. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Pop it in the refrigerator while we move on to this. So now this is my pepper jelly. This is my sausage, my kielbasa sausage and pineapple chunks, and I'm gonna put it on a toothpick and we're gonna throw it into the air fryer. So here I'm just cutting my sausage in 1/2-inch pieces, but y'all already know how this goes. You cut it however you want. You want 1 inch, you want them thinner, you want them thicker. It's totally up to you. This part is also super easy and super cheap. This dish I think was maybe $4, and it makes a lot. So to assemble, I'm just gonna put the toothpicks that we soaked into the pineapple and then in the sausage, and that ain't even sound right, but y'all got the point. Anyway, let me move on. Yeah, so next we're going to make the pepper jelly sauce that's going to be used to brush on the sausage and the pineapple. I'm just going to add some of the pineapple juice that came in the can. Quickly, I realized that I wouldn't be able to mix it up, so I popped it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then it was perfect. So now I'm going to start piling it down into my air fryer, and I'm going to brush them all and pop it into my air fryer, and I can't wait for y'all to see exactly what it looks like. Let me tell y'all something. I tore this thing up. Me and my husband tore this thing up. For it to be so simple and easy, it was just so delicious. It was slightly sweet and slightly spicy and just perfect. Alright, so after 10 minutes, this is what they looked like. I still want to cook them some more, so I decided to brush them again with the rest of the sauce in my bowl. And then I'm going to pop it right back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. I'm telling you, if you put this out on your Thanksgiving table, they're going to be gone in like 5 minutes. And like I said, this whole thing right here was only like $4, and I still had a bunch of pineapple left. So, you know, if you have a bigger family, you just get another kielbasa and you're good to go. So now let's put the drinks together. My cups are frozen, of course. I had them in the freezer. I added some ice. Now I'm going to put orange pieces down into my glass just like this. Next, I'm going to pour up my drink. You guys, this drink was good. I hope y'all make this drink. Okay, don't skip this drink. If you're a wine lover, make this drink. It's really good. Next, I'm going to add my cinnamon sticks. The cinnamon sticks were not overpowering. They do add slight flavor to the drink the longer it sits, and it just gives it that holiday feel to it. So, you know, it's optional, but I'm suggesting that you put it there. And look how beautiful it looks. You know, if your guests come in and they see that, it's just so beautiful and pretty. And, you know, they'll just be clapping it up for you. Who doesn't want that? So put the sticks in there, you guys. So right before your guests arrive, what you want to do is drizzle the top of the strawberries with some more honey, just like this. And this was actually also good as well. The vanilla bean from the yogurt and the tanginess from the cream cheese is what took this all the way over the board and just made it so good. So this is what the entire spread looks like. I wish I could have made more stuff, but I didn't want to bore you guys with a super long video. If you want another one like this, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.